Alright guys, I got a Nicholson file made in the USA. I just broke off the tang, hardened it up, put it on the vise, snapped right off, so I know that I have a nice hard, good quality high carbon steel file here. We're going to go ahead and forge this up and make it into another chopper, I think, because these Nicholsons work really well for making a proper heavy knife. So that's the plan. We will get the dimples out of the way and shape it up. Like that, I think. Maybe a little bit in the big side, but typically I'm going to open that up. That should make for a proper chopper. Proper chopper. See, but I'm flattening out those teeth down here. You can see they're not flattened, but these are flattened out. Awesome texture when you're done. You got to make sure the teeth are in the right direction. Cut that, or made that notch a little short. I'm going to lose some more when I'm grinding, but I'm also going to gain some on that point. So that's just to tell me where I want to go. I'll go ahead and put the point in now. about as far as I want to go with that pointer for now. Decide how far you want to go with the hammer and how far you're going to go with the grinder. And I'm not really going to put a heck of a lot of bevel on this. Matter of fact, I might not at all. I might just do the entire thing on the grinder because this is a relatively thin file. So I think that's about as far as I'm going to go on the blade. I know that seemed pretty easy, but you got to make sure you plan everything ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and just work on my handle a little bit, and we're going to do the rest in the grinder because that's what makes sense. There's the first finger groove as far as I'm going to go with it, and I want to try to keep this back as straight as possible. So I'm going to put the final groove in, nip it off, round it over. Alright, that second groove is a much wider groove, so I'll find where I want the center to be, and I'll go ahead and kind of mark it with the horn like that, and then I'll just work my way back. Working my way back, end up with a little wider groove. So that's exactly what I'm looking for right there, I think, for now. If you notice, I got sway in my back now, so I'm going to heat this up, take that sway out, straighten it off, and take that handle off. It's not bad. It's not perfectly straight, but I'm okay with it because I like my handles a little bit cocked back. So I'm going to go ahead, figure out where I want this thing to be. So I'm looking good here. By the time I take that point off, I think I'm good. Mark this thing and I'll get that handle cut off. Before I go too much far, I want to make sure the scales that I have in mind to use are going to fit right around in here, and I think that'll be good. Right? I think I'll have plenty of wood to do that, and I think they're wide enough, so we're good there. Pretty good. ahead and take care of that. And then we'll do the rest on the grinder. I think that'll make a proper knife. It doesn't look too bad at all. We'll let this sucker cool down and we'll get it on the grinder. That, my friend, is going to be an awesome knife. Alrighty, this sucker's been annealed 3 times. We'll go ahead and get her cleaned up on the grinder and start putting shape on it. Alright, here's the rough grind, ready for hardening. Well, I say it every single time, man. It's a shame to see it look like that after putting so much time into it, but we got to clean it up again. We're going to throw these in the oven and temper them. There she is. Just about ready to sharp. We haven't put the honing stone on it, but that looks pretty damn sharp to me. All we gotta do is put a handle on it. We'll stand back for this knife. Now that's a knife. I haven't even put the honing stone on this thing yet, but I tried it and I just want you to see. Pretty amazing. That's what it looks like after it's glued. I hit it with the sander just a little bit, but we'll go ahead and shape this handle up. See what we get. I know it's a little dark, but here's the unveiling. Back up here. There you have it. Clean up the blade a little bit, but that is a proper knife. I don't know how long this sucker is. It's over 12 inches, I bet you. Yep, it's about a 13-inch knife. Yeah, there we have it. That one's done.